Hello friends, Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today we learned rate analysis for 12 thick gypsum work. For learning purpose, first part is the material quantity takeoff. Gypsum bag is 25 kg. Here we work out rate for 1 square feet. Required data is the coverage area of gypsum and per bag cost. Here is the per square feet cost, 300 rupees 25 kg gypsum bag cost upon coverage area 20 square feet. Now the material rate is the 15 rupees per square feet. Second part is labor cost. For 300 square foot we have to work out here and then convert for 1 square feet. Required skill mason for 300 square feet, two numbers approx. Cost is the here consider the 1100. Helper also two numbers and cost is here per helper is 700 rupees per day. Then consider supervision, tools and equipments, profit. Now cost come for 300 square feet is 5200 rupees. For 1 square feet cost is total amount upon 300, 17.5 rupees per square feet. Now material plus labor cost is 32 rupees per square feet excluding taxes. For RCC surface, we required bonding agent. For that cost of bonding agent is 3 to 5 rupees per square feet extra above this cost. These above rates are only for reference. Actual labor and material costs may change based on the project location. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.